in the future, the young demographic, they can travel anywhere, and their job may not be fixed. They can be flexible job seekers in any part of the world. In that sense, how to provide easy, convenient and real-time financial access.
We're here on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange for International Day. All sorts of leaders from around the world, including in the C-suite, have joined us here at the NYSE to talk about the future of global growth. And I'm pleased now to be joined by the chairman and CEO of Surfin, Yanan. Yanan, welcome.
Nice to meet you, Christine.
Wonderful to have you here at the Stock Exchange, especially for International Day. How are you finding it going so far?
It's very exciting and very dynamic, and see all the folks from all over the world, essentially, to have this special celebration at the New York Stock Exchange. Actually, this is not something new. I was here last year, so I already had a great experience in NYSE International Day. Because to me, I think NYSE really want to embolden all the international companies, their CEOs come here to celebrate. We have the great capital market here, and also can meet up each other, engage with each other, and share the energy, because on the trading floor, that's where the capital market energy is. And last year already have the, Rodrigo, the Brazilian soccer star, yes. And this year we have Mr. Yao Ming from China, the basketball superstar. Here it's just see everyone, have such a dynamism in their exchange.
The energy definitely feels palpable. I want to talk a bit about your business, Surfin. Companies around the world are leveraging artificial intelligence. What is Surfin's unique approach to AI?
Yeah, thanks, Christian. So Surfin, as the name stands, surf along the technology wave to bring the financial inclusion to the young demographics in emerging markets. Surfin was headquartered in Singapore since 2017, has been 7 years, almost 8 years now celebrate, and we can celebrate here in New York Stock Exchange to provide financial inclusions through AI technology, currently to 90 million young demographics through big data modeling and Gen AI technology in 10 emerging markets across 3 continents. We have dispersed over $4 billion to these young demographics so that they can have a financial credit access and also the payment remittance and credit cards, and as well as wealth management. No matter where you are, Indonesia, Philippines, Mexico, Kenya, or Nigeria. And wherever you are, they can have a financial access anytime, anywhere, and in any more customized format. Yeah.
What is the investment thesis for Surfin?
Yeah, Surfin has, is application for AI technology. We have provided in-house proprietary technology, cutting edge, to provide social credit. Surfin has invested in these markets, provide Surfin Credit Score, Surfin Credit Lab, and Surfin Chatbot for the interactive financial products to these younger demographics. Many of them, they may be the first time to get financial access, and some of the young SME owners, they want to start enterprise, they want to start a new life, and they can immediately, within 1 minute, get a credit access and a micro lending product. So I think through this technology, we can be more scalable and sustainable, and also sustainable for these young demographics through AI technology, digital fintech.
How has this investment thesis impacted your revenue growth and company performance?
Thank you, Christine. For the past 7 years, we will benefit for this digital mobile penetration and Gen AI technology, and that make our financial access and unique product experience very scalable and also very sticky for the younger demographic. And that also lead to a 50% year-on-year revenue CAGR growth. And last year, 2024, we have delivered $250 million top line, and this year we'll deliver $500 million, double the last year revenue, and we also happen to enjoy double-digit net profit margin for 4 years in a row, and we'll hit 60 million net profit this year.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
I want to hear more, Yanan, from you about your strategy for deepening your presence in existing markets and the strategy for entering new ones.
That's right. So I think we have adopted core satellite marketing strategy. Every region, every continent, we have 2 or 3 core markets. For example, Southeast Asia, we have Indonesia, Philippines. In South Asia, we have India, Pakistan. And in Latin America, we have Mexico. In Africa, we have Kenya and Nigeria. So through these regional core markets, we can build an international portfolio for this investment to access young demographics. That's why I say, the technology can be more scalable through this Gen AI and make it operating efficiency and more sustainable. And that's why we can access to 90 million young demographics, not only for lending product, but also for payment remittance, cross-border, my financial experience, and as well as wealth management. Because I believe that in today's Gen AI era, everyone deserves a financial agent. Through AI agent, every young demographic, no matter who you are, what faith you have, where you are, then you can have a co-pilot partner, financial partner, to help them to access financial service, to start a better life, and also manage their SMEs. So this is how we go to each market.
What is your approach to risk management and resource allocation?
Christine, you touch a great key point. Because financially, fundamentally, how to price risk. That's the thesis for any fintech. In the past traditional financial service, it's hard to price the credit risk for a young demographic who may not have enough financial behavior, not even have a bank account. So how to provide financial access based on the social behavior, alternative data, that's what Surfin has done in the past 7 years through AI big data technology for social alternative behavior data to provide social credit. And so that's the risk modeling we have provided to 10 markets. Doesn't depend on regional any background, but it all depends on your social behavior. And we have model A, B, C, F, different comprehensive model to characterize a young demographic risk modeling. We have developed 600,000 features in the past 7 years for different markets to provide a very comprehensive risk modeling approach. And that's why we can deliver top line revenue growth 50% year on year.
What do you view as the next stage of growth for Surfin?
I think the next stage it's all about cross-selling and cross-service for multiple financial products using the AI technology plus blockchain. Because in the future, the young demographic, they can travel anywhere and their job may not be fixed. They can be flexible job seekers in any part of the world. In that sense, how to provide easy, convenient and real-time financial access through AI technology, through blockchain, so through stablecoin, so that they can enjoy instant financial access. And financial service has to be embedded into their daily life. And through blockchain service, they can be tokenized, fractionalized, and enjoy the real-time financial access. I believe that's what future has endeavored to, because we can access to 100 million young demographic, no matter which region are, we have access to the data to understand their behavior, not only social behavior, but financial behavior, consumer behavior, and the wealth allocation behavior. So all these can be tokenized and fractionalized and enjoy free real-time financial access.
Yanan, Chairman and CEO of Surfin, thank you so much for joining us here at the New York Stock Exchange.
Thank you, Christine, for having me.